This is my friends Lorenzo e Genta.
Ciao Tobias, buon
Ciao.
viaggio, buona vacanza,
Buon viaggio!
buona avventura per la Thailandia.
Grazie.
Ti aspettiamo l'anno
E
prossimo!
quando ritorni ti aspettiamo qua.
Grazie. Ciao, ciao,
Ciao.
grazie. Hey guys. Leaving Desenzano del Garda, Lago di Garda, Lake Garda. And again, strong rain and a mighty thunderstorm. Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! That. Whoa! It's getting wet up here. Cappuccino time, guys. Guys, now it's hot again. 30 degrees. Shadows and Celsius, of course, and no rain in sight right now. Probably that will change in 15 minutes, as always, if you get this off here, but we'll see. But now, for now, it's better like this. Beautiful. The dome. Wow, lovely, lovely bridge as well over there. Right, why not? Italians can churches, they really can do churches. Picturesque, I like it. The dark clouds over there. Looks like I might get wet again today. We will see. See over there. Who's that guy? Yoo-hoo! Hello! Clouds. Wow, that's really rain clouds over there. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Blue sky here. Never look left. And raining again. Raining again. Why not? And thunder. Sorry for the road noise, but actually I wanted to go to Grado today, but that will be too late. I'm really coming so slow. It's so small roads and all the villages, and all the time 50 kilometers or 30 or 50 kilometers allowed only. So, and raining again, so I just changed my mind and will check the navigation for, I think it's close to Venezia. Maybe I check, there's a camping place I know from when I was a child. It's called Prade le Torri. Close to the city of Caorle. It's at the Mediterranean Sea, at the beach, and that should be not that far from here. Just check that. Search for that. Sigrado was before, and now I'll put, what is this, Caorle. See, you could also go to KTM Padua. Navigation totally lost, but but anyway, that looks nice here. That looks interesting, guys. Hey Tom, what is this? What is this, huh? It's not possible. It's not possible. I tell you. Oh. You see? Tom. How dare you? It's not possible. Stupido navigazione. Ai. Everything you gotta do yourself. Yeah, why not? Sightseeing the different kind. From the province of Padua to Venezia. Ciao Venezia! It's nice. Also beautiful. this. Wow. Beautiful. What a hotel. Hey. Nice, huh? What a garden. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Villa Ducale. Nice. Beautiful. Is this for driving here? Not sure, there's a sign over there. Or maybe it goes around. Oh, or maybe not. Oh, it's not for driving, I guess. Shit. Oh. Maybe these signs are only for walking. But anyway, that's a really beautiful garden. Can I turn around here? Maybe I can turn here. Look how nice. Wow. I like it. Whoa. Drift. Power drift. Really loose gravel here. Wow. See the helicopter. Okay, you follow.
Yeah,
Grazie.
that's follow when I arrive on my
Yes, 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 sure.
because I don't have internet.
What's your name?
My name is Gianpaolo and yours?
Ah, Matthias. Ciao.
Nice to meet you.
Ciao, grazie. One day you gotta go. That's a really big shopping mall. Actually, have a look.
A nice 911 991.2 GTS.
Okay. Okay, GS parking in Venice. Let's have a quick look and then I have to go again. Oh, maybe have to go. Oh wow. Beautiful. Oh, you see that? Beautiful. Ciao. Nice. Wow. Look at this. Wow. That's beautiful. Really. Wow. Nice. Again. Ciao ciao. That's also very nice. Nice. That's Venice, guys. That's Venice. Look at this. And here. Wow, look at that sky! The plane. See there? Wow. See the rainbow! In my direction it looks rainy. Would be the third time today. Oh, the plane just descending. Wow, so many things happen. Wow, look at that. Wow. Oh man, guys. Again. Wow.
Okay guys, this was my video for today. A bit later in the heavy rain I arrived in Lido di Jesolo with an empty GoPro battery. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye, goodbye.
Yeah, why not? And then, and